Hello everyone, welcome to Blooming Tales. I know it's been a little while since my intro went up, but I'm so happy and excited to finally post my very first video here. If you're new here, this channel is all about documenting my everyday life such as slow mornings, work life, traveling, cozy moments, and finding beauty in the little things. This video was filmed back in July on a rainy Sunday. The weather was so calm and peaceful. And to start off, this video is something simple but special, which is a desk refresh. So let's get into the video. I'm a corporate girl who's been working from home for over a year now. So I wanted to start the videos in this channel by organizing my desk area. This is how messy my favorite corner of the room gets after a hectic work week. Tangled cables, books out of place, and a completely cluttered desk. I love decluttering and organizing my space every now and then. It honestly feels like therapy for me. My entire room follows a black and white theme, and dust shows up so easily on black surfaces. I hope the camera has captured it clearly because it's definitely noticeable in person. That's my personal laptop, and the HP one is my work laptop. Most of the things you see on the desk, like the laptop stand, phone holder, table lamp, and more, are actually from my company's welcome kit. And the photo frame was gifted by my dear ones, and I loved the picture captured in it, which was so randomly clicked, and it turned out so good. This trolley usually turns into a huge mess by mid of the week, mostly because of all these cables. But when I set them up neatly and tangle-free, it instantly makes the space feel calmer and so much more satisfying to look at. This spot where I work, brainstorm ideas, get creative, have my meetings, reading books, and honestly even throw a few tantrums. That is why this is my favorite corner of the room. Desk setup is finally done. This is how it turned out. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. And since this is my very first video, I'd love to hear your suggestions or feedback in the comment section. I'm excited to keep creating more. So stay tuned for the next one.